Okay, class, here we go. This is what we did in the last experiment. We we basically, you see these orange dots? These orange dots represent the ordered pairs that we found for the first piece of tape. The blue dots represent the ordered pairs for the second piece of tape. And in this experiment, we want to find these brown dots here. It has a little line through it, but basically we want to find the radius of this rod here. We want to collect data, just like we did before. We are going to find just the radius. So we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem to find r here. Okay. What's important? What's important about this? Well, anywhere in this space, anywhere on this paper, on this in this photograph, we can localize an x and a y based on this ruler back here, this standard length that we all agree on. And that's rectangular coordinates. We also have what is known as polar coordinates or circular coordinates, and that is r and theta. So if we know the radius of a circle and we know its particular angle, we can actually localize a point out in space anywhere we want. Well, what's the point? Well, rectangular exploits rectangles. Our rectangular coordinate system exploits rectangles, and a polar coordinate system exploits circles. All right? It's about the ease of calculation. It's easier to calculate rectangles with a rectangular coordinate system, and it's easier to calculate circles with a polar coordinate system. All right, so let's move from here. That's enough of that. Let's go ahead and go to Moodle Mobile, and I'm going to refresh this page. I'm just going to pull down so that everything will be updated. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and go down to the bottom here. You'll see that I have 3 underscore edge of rod radius experimental, and so experiment. And so we're going to pull this video down. So I'm going to pull this video down from the cloud. I should just open it. Open the file. It'll be downloaded to your iPad. So guess what? It's the same video that we've been using. So yes. Here we go. So it's our same video. I'm going to go ahead and share this with video physics. So again, you see we have experiments 5 here. It's just a generic name. I'm going to go back. Let me just change this name. And I'm going to call this edge of rod. Brass Eric. Oops, it's already taken, so let me do that again. I'll just put it brassy. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that file. We're going to calibrate it just like we've been doing all this time. Move that to the pivot point, and let's set this to 10 centimeters. Now that it's set, let's go ahead and collect our points here on the edge. I just want you to go all the way around. So I'm going to take it all the way around. I'm going to cut out a lot of this data collection